In a previous video, you downloaded Scratch. In this video, I'll show you how to get Scratch moving. Scratch is a sprite. I can pick Scratch up with the cursor and move Scratch anywhere I want to on the screen. But what we'd like to do is to be able to move Scratch in a different way. I'll pick up this block, move it into the scripts area, and the block says move 10 steps. So if I click this block, notice it'll be rimmed or outlined in white briefly, and Scratch moves. You could see it move 10 steps, again and again. Well, 10 steps isn't very far, so I'll click in that little window and put in 100 steps. Click again. Now Scratch is moving a longer distance. This is a turn right so many degrees block. 15 degrees isn't very much, so I'll click in that little window and put in 90 degrees or a square corner or right angle. Now when I click on this block, Scratch turns 90 degrees. 4 times, back to where Scratch was. Now this is really important. When I pick up this block, I can move it onto this block. Notice this little dent on the bottom of the move block and this little cavity on the top of the turn block. I'll pick up the turn block, and as I get close to the move block, you see that white line? That means when I release the cursor, the two blocks will snap together. This forms what's called a stack, and then I can move those two blocks as a unit. Now if I click on the top block in the stack, it will execute both commands. So 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and Scratch is back where Scratch started. Duplicate these steps on your computer. In the next video, I'll show you how to add more blocks to this short stack to teach Scratch even more tricks.